Hi guys, we're back with another video, and if you remember, on my channel Boy Bandit, we reviewed some yellow G-form shin pads that were £45, and my dad's got the same ones. So if you want to see my video, you can go to Boy Bandit.
I did my black ones on Awesome Kid YouTuber, so please check out that video if you have time.
So we've got these G-form shin pads here. I'm not going to get on the screen, so I'll have to move it down. These are large ones, and the way you work out sizing, Pro Diet Sports was saying a certain size guide, which I think was incorrect. So when we got your shin pads, I had to contact G-form directly. They were very efficient, very quick, so I asked them about sizing and they told me exactly how to do it, because I didn't have this information here before. And what you do is measure the calf, the width of the widest part of your calf and your height, and then you decide which size you want for according to this kind of sizing guide here, which have to be careful. Some websites that sell it, they may not have the same sizing guide. You'll end up buying the wrong size. It will be either too loose or too tight, and you have to just return it. So use the sizing guide, measure your height, and measure the widest part of your calf, and then according to that you select the size. So it worked out good then, because they fit good. You one. So this is the boxing, the box that has it in. It's quite nice. Looks quite professional, doesn't it? Yeah. Like a book. So what they say about the G-form, if I read about it, says washable, lightweight, breathable and flexible. The great thing is to wash them, because why? When you're wearing them, what happens? They get a bit
dirty and sweaty and
smelly. I won't say smelly, you don't get smelly, but it can get probably if you don't wash them. So you just put them in the washing machine with the kit as soon as you're done. But yours are okay, aren't they?
Yeah.
But what happened to your ones as soon as you washed them first time?
When I washed them first time, the inside of the labels came all off it. Yeah.
So that hasn't affected your shin pads, has it? Just that they've got these labels like stuck on the cloth part, the sleeve part that goes around your calf, and that they come up. Not a big deal, but it didn't happen to yours at all, did it?
No. Mine's completely fine.
Yeah. So if we open this up, it's got one shin pad each side, and it says here, Pele approved. So there you go, Pele approved. So I mean, whether or not it's Pele approved, I think it's an awesome bit of kit. It is, like I said when you've got your ones, I said they are expensive, but I did go. We went on, did a lot of read the reviews, and went on Unisport. And Unisport, they're recommending this and something from Nike. I can't remember what it was, but they recommended this a lot. There's another website called Soccer Reviews for You that recommend these carbon fibre ones that are really expensive. I wouldn't get those, because these ones, you've got the sleeve, and really nice, comfortable. My experience of old style football shin pads I used to wear, the ball would hit the shin pad, they're so thick and it would bounce off your shin. So maybe that's just because I wasn't very good at ball control, but these are better because they're flexible and they fit around your ankle and your shin very good, don't they? Yeah. So what do you like about them?
I like them because
Tell me when you're wearing them.
they're soft around the ankle, and with my old Nike ones, they when I put them on first time, they were hard and bulky.
Okay, and what about you? What do you think?
I think they're very light, and I've got them on at the moment, and it doesn't feel like you're wearing shin pads, and it doesn't get in the way of your boots if you have a sock boot, because it doesn't have any ankle protection, which might be a problem.
Yeah, that might be a problem, because yeah, I'll get them out. Let's get them out anyway. So go on, you guys, you can get one out. Okay, so let's get rid of that. So you hold it up. So this is the thing. It's kind of like these bits are foamy, What does it feel like? Who said?
It feels like memory foam.
Memory foam, yeah. So it's kind of press it. Feels quite, anyway, but it's quite soft and.
It's quite. It's so hard.
You can put your fingers right into it if you go like that.
And it makes a mark.
And it makes a mark. Then it gets a shape back. So you can really dig your thumb into it and it gets the shape back. So so this is the sleeve part here that goes round your calf. And then you've got, so it is quite big, and one of the things when I watch the review on Sock Reviews for You, the person who does the video, Josh I think his name is, he put it on and they looked really small. I thought that's too small, and maybe I'm wrong, but this looks really big, so I'm hoping it's going to fit okay. We'll try it on in a bit, but this was the size, it's large, so I hope it's going to fit okay. You do still want protection, everyone wants to have lightweight things. These are lightweight boots and lightweight shin pads and all this, but you still need to provide a protection. One thing certainly, when we've had a kick around, you've got your Predators on.
Yeah.
They do actually, when you get this, caught with the stud, it's quite painful. So all these lightweight boots, one thing, good lightweight boots, they don't offer much protection. So, and like the shin pads, there's no ankle protection at all here. So if you wear a sock kind of boot around, get your football boot, and then we can show. If you wear a sock type, boot, and you have ankle protection, you can get away, feel quite bulky, but it provides that protection. So this is like your Predator, and you've got this sock section. Some of the Nike ones are a lot higher up, so you can wear it like that. It'll be something like that, or a bit higher up. So you've still got a bit of ankle coverage, but that's not protection, that's not pad, that's just what is it?
It's like
Basically just a piece of fabric.
Yeah, elasticated, isn't it? So it is really good, don't get me wrong, and they say they don't provide any extra performance benefit performance wise, but it's a nice thing, it looks really good, but this will just cover your ankle, won't provide protection, so you can get specific ankle protection G-form things, and that's going to provide more protection, but maybe get too bulky, and there wasn't any size for you guys, so you'll have to look into that. If you want to do that, it's up to you, but people don't want all this stuff around the ankle, this weight. It's funny, negligible how much it would weigh, not a lot, but anyway. What else do you want to say? Anything else about them?
Here is this sticker that was coming off in the wash.
Yeah, your one, isn't it?
Yeah,
His
I've
one.
never had this cross on mine.
No, I think it's just about extreme impact protection.
Yeah.
So we're going to try them on, see what they're like, and go from there. We're about to go to have a kick around, so I'm going to try them on. So I may just come back and just have them on and do a combined review, feedback review of them. So we'll just see. So anyway, hold on. That's it. So we'll speak to you in a bit. Go from there.
Okay, so now we've put them on, so you can see ours and our dad's shin pads.
So we went to the AstroTurf pitch to try them on and put them on, and they feel very comfortable. We can't hardly tell they're on, and they cover a good section of the shin, nearly all of it. Although you guys, it's a bit of a gap, there's not as much covered. So there's a big section here, but mine actually is kind of similar. I think mine covers more. So there, and there's a bit of a gap here. This whole section's not covered, but mine is just under my knee and down to the ankle, and your one, again, it's quite a bit of a gap, so maybe they should think about making them longer, because you have to protect the whole shin, and again, there's no ankle protection. It does feel quite tight. It's meant to be a compression kind of sock thing, so I don't know if that helps with performance, but it didn't move around at all. I only had to short 2 socks on, so the only 2 socks come up to here, but full socks would be really good fit and feel very tight. So yeah, what else? I think they're quite a bit more, maybe they're about the same kind of wraparound. I did think it'd be a bit too big, but actually fine, nice and comfortable. Didn't interfere with shooting or controlling the ball, which sometimes harder shin pads do. So anything else to say?
It's like 3 against 1.
Yeah. So anything else you to say?
They're quite tight when you put them on. So
And when you take them,
and it's really hard to take them off after you put them on.
Yeah. So I'll try and actually demonstrate. So if you pull them, you've got to really give them quite a tug. So they're kind of quite thing. But the good thing is that they fit well. They don't go anywhere, and they're not like the ones we have to slip the shin pad into the sleeve. You're struggling a bit, aren't you? So yeah. So you got them. So a bit of hassle to get on and off, but once you've got them on, they're really good, really comfortable. Show the go down. Yeah. So this is what's happened to your one. We were talking about before that the labelling has gone. It's come away on the inside. See, and on the back.
and the back it's all gone.
And if you see, mine's still there, and
Mine's still there as well.
And you've washed yours, haven't you? As
I've
well?
washed mine several times, and it's still.
So that's
there.
the only thing, really. It still didn't affect the performance. Still good.
Yeah.
I just think they're a very good quality piece of kit. It's worth spending a bit extra to get the comfort and the protection, I think. And we're going to wear them for quite some time, aren't we? Keep them for quite some time. And they're good. You can wash them. You know, it's brilliant. So yeah, these were washed. These were washed yesterday, weren't they? So
Yeah, just.
but that's it. So I think really good, really worth getting hold of if you want to, if you're willing, happy to spend the money. And that's it. Yeah, anything. So we'll speak to you next time. See you next time.
Okay, so guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Peace out.